Near the center of your paper, draw a football shape. And then perpendicular to that is another football shape. It should be touching in the center of each. Then start in one corner, go to the center, and then loop over to another end. Then about 3/4 of the way up, you're going to curve up and then loop all the way down to the bottom. Do the same thing, start there, and we're going to repeat another petal. Then we're going to do a mirror image on the other side. Curve it up, and then curve right back down in between. This one curves downward, and then bring it right up to that corner. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're just going to do 2 straight lines right down the center for the stem. Make the stem as long as you like. Curve off the bottom. I'm going to make a little tiny teardrop shape here. And I made a little zigzag line. And then we're going to add 2 straight lines for a stem. Curve off the bottom. And we're just going to add ripples of water going randomly around the bottom of the stems.